His beautiful voice. Now I would like in front of you for welcome address our Honorable Secretary of Incorporated Trustee of Islamic Community Fund, Brother Kamar Zaman Minhas. Please come on podium and deliver your address.
His Excellency Akhi Kareem Brother Hamad Al-Wali, Ambassador Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, Brother Hamid Jalal, Chairman Board of Trustees, Haji Saad Sahab, Veteran Chief Pakistan Association, respected Imams, Member of Qur'an Mosque Management Committee, brothers and sisters, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I, on behalf of the Member of Board of Trustees, all Imams and Member of Qur'an Mosque Management Committee, welcome you here. We are grateful that you have kindly accepted our invitation to be the chief guest of our program. Indeed, we all are honored with your kind presence with us. Sharraftumuna ahlan wa sahlan marhaba. We are deeply grateful the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia for inviting our students from Hong Kong to participate in International King Abdulaziz Hifz Tafsir competition every year. Indeed, this is highly graceful program. I congratulate to Master Amr Khan, who has for achieving this honor for the first time in Hong Kong history for the Hong Kong Muslims. Indeed, out of over 80 countries, achieving this honor was not a small thing. I congratulate his parents, his teachers, and Imam Shoaib Noor, who has accompanied him to the Saudi Arabia. He did the hifz from our girls section, so congratulate to our sister also, who had did hard work with him. Excellency, I'm thankful for the continuous support toward our mosques and dawah activities. We are receiving the Holy Quran in different languages, books and prayer mats from your consulates. We are also thankful for granting the Hajj and Umrah visas to the Hong Kong Muslims without any restriction. His Excellency, under the supervision of our Chief Imam, Muhammad Rashid, all our madrasas are performing with excellent results. Last year we have started the short alam course, which is first of its kind in Hong Kong. And inshallah, we will keep trying to improve our madrasas and teaching courses for the betterment of the Hong Kong Muslims, inshallah. I congratulate all the students today, their teacher and the parents who have completed the hifz and the Nazra of Holy Quran today. Indeed, this is great honor and achievement for these students and for their parents. Last but not the least, I would request to the teacher and the parents to get the best possible education to these young boys and girls. Teach them tolerance and patience. Inshallah, this will liberate them from self-made beliefs and will create a true Muslim, which is today's need for the Ummah Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Again, honorable, it is really honor for us that you have accepted our invitation. Thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.